at the gym? I don't know. We're going to the gym, going to meet with our trainer to go work out.
Yeah, hopefully we do either arms or full body. I never just want to do legs.
Yeah, but it's the middle of the day. It's a Tuesday. See, you have to pretend like you're not gonna come in for a third day. Then he'll give you total body.
Yeah.
But if he knows he has you for 3 days separate, you're gonna get a little bit of something, a little bit of something, a little bit of something. We just want total.
Yeah, I just want total. And then we gotta do cardio afterwards.
Total or arms? Total or
arms. Hit me with some good arms. And then let's do total again on Thursday.
Right, because the all leg day is no fun. But yeah, we're in the car headed to the gym.
Oh, and we you meal prep for us earlier.
Oh yeah, I did meal prep, but just one day at a time because this girl cannot eat old food. But I did make enough chicken to spread a few days, but my mom requested some, so
she did.
It's probably gonna only last till tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be good though. And
yeah, I used to cook 2 times a week for like 3 or 4 days at a time, but she wouldn't eat it, so
I'm sorry, I'm high class. Sorry.
Yeah, so I have to cook every day now.
Yeah.
Same meals though, but every day. How am I feeling about prep? I feel like we are not consistent enough in the time that we have.
What is prep, real quick?
So prep is just like, we want to do a fitness competition, a bikini show. And we've signed on with our trainer last year.
January.
We're just hard-headed. And we don't stick to the diet. There's some days that we might stay within the calories, but we don't eat the meal plan. There's some days that we won't eat the meal plan at all. Well, we'll eat like half of it and then like, you know, eat something else. But regardless, if you're on prep and you want to do like a fitness competition, you have to be really dedicated and eat the same thing. You cannot go off plan. There's no such thing as off plan. So we have 6 months before we leave, you guys. So realistically, you can do a fitness competition in 6 months. You can be in prep for 6 months and get on stage. I, however, feel like, well, I'm feeling like today, I might feel different tomorrow.
Today, because your weight was up?
Yeah, because my weight was up, but your weight can fluctuate all the time. But I'm feeling like knowing us two, we are not, and we don't have an actual show date. So in my mind, usually when we like train for something, we did 2 marathons, lots of races. You know, we run, a marathon is 26.2 miles. When it's something like that, you sign up for it, you work towards it. Like, you run towards that race. The best part is the training, but not having a date set by our trainer.
Find a date. It's a big show in August, so that's probably the
right.
That we
but
do.
Not having a date set by our trainer, because he would be the one to dictate, you know, whether we go or not, has me kind of like, well, it's not gonna happen in my mind. It's like, oh, well, I don't have anything out there, but realistically we have to leave. But the only way to have a date set is to show dedication. The last weigh-in we had was a really good one.
Yeah.
Where I'm like, okay, so of course we would have to show that again. We'd have to be consistent. But if I don't have the date, it's like a vicious cycle.
And our trainer, like, okay, so you can go anywhere. The first trainer that we had, whatever date we said we wanted to do, he was like, okay, cool, whatever. Because it doesn't matter to most people what you go on stage looking like.
Right.
But our trainer, he's been doing it for 25 years. He has he's won Mr. South Carolina. He's kind of like a big deal in our town. He has trained a ton of professional bodybuilders, professional people, celebrities. Like, he's really the real deal.
Right.
So we can't go to him, and that's what our problem has been, where we think we know it all. He really, really, really knows it all. So we can't create our own date. He'll tell you if he think your body is there or not. And a lot of people train with him for years and never get on stage. Maybe their mental isn't right, or their body isn't, you know, filled out in the places he wants. So it's really all about what he think, and that's why we paying him, because he has all the knowledge.
Right,
so
which is fair.
Nicole is feeling down because her weight was a little up. Anytime her weight is up,
But also, realistically though, I don't think our body composition.
She doesn't need 6 months.
No.
Coach is really happy with her body. She won't say this. She is very, very, very happy with where her body is. She has more muscles than most of the ladies that we run into. She's got a great physique. I would say, is 2-3 months of a hard diet out from being on the stage. stage.
But I wouldn't
she
do
wants
a stage.
him to say that.
Right, I want him to say, and I wouldn't do a show without both of us being prepared. And I feel like the further we move out from it, it's like,
I would feel more comfortable, and I think it would even encourage me more. It would, because from the beginning we knew that I was further out than her, because she is smaller than me, so she doesn't need as much time. I am very comfortable. I would encourage her to do a show before me. That way she can stay on task and I can stay on task, and envious of her the whole time, like dang. And also financially it would work out better for us, because doing a show is extremely expensive. So it would be better if one person did it before, so we didn't have to pay double the money.
Right.
You know, shit, I'll wear the same look. Well, I ain't gonna wear the same outfit, but you know, at least maybe try to get a discount on the second outfit that we have to get, because we'll talk about all that stuff. But bikini competitions are really expensive. So if she puts her mind there, I think she's 2-3 months out. If we work together, she'll get on stage, I'll get on stage, and hopefully we'll both win first place. You know, you never know. But our coach is really good at everybody wins like first place when they're with him. So it's definitely possible. Oh my God, on a full jacket. I'm fully suited and booted. Let me wait till I get in my workout. Then I can take it off and I look like Superman. Thank you. Right? Yeah. Hey. I hope he's tired. Our trainer just finished working out, so hopefully he's tired. I don't know, he don't look that tired. It ain't been but 2 minutes.
Go down. Come on. Go all over the floor. There you go. We'll go with that.
He was not too tired. No, he was. Yeah.
look, he's coming back for more.
That was for Jimmy. Oh.
Your favorite.
Yeah. It's the least favorite. Oh my God. This thing is hell.
With your 10 reps. Boom.
Can you see that? His hand is stopping it from going all the way up, so her legs can't take a break.
Control all the way through. Dropping that ball. I feel the control all the way through.
That's 10.
And an app to help you save for driving safely.
Oh, I know it.
The Allstate app gives you real-time driver feedback to drive, giving you the power to lower your insurance costs. In fact, safe drivers can save 40% or more. Connect and save with DriveWise. You're in good hands with Allstate.
Download the Allstate app today.
You gotta control all the way through the movement. Nice. Yep. Come on. Good. Control. feel like right around when it gets spring, maybe? Spring, right around the end of the month?
Oh, yeah, all the type that just they'll do fine between them hollies and them, some of them gardenias seem a better day in the bag, but, yeah, there's a lot of middle hollies, they can cut them anytime, make grow bags, they're good about that. And then, camellias, well, cross meshes them right now. They don't take much off anyway, they don't grow much.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you. Did it have your face in it? I had your face in it. If me and Tony keep playing, we ain't gonna get there.
Yeah, you are. You
Control. Up, drive. Yeah, drive it up. Give me two more. Up, drive it up. One more, come on. Let go.
Nicole! Came out the gym, workout was litty. Sales are popping on the phone. Vibes is good. And our package just came from our Fashion Nova. For our shoot on Friday. No, they're not paying us, but they can.
Hey, and the battery's going dead, so we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Yes, bye.